65. I'm sorry.
All right, I'm out with my partner DJ and his 1965 Nova 2 with the absolutely nasty big block in it. Look at that. And he means business. He won't tell me what the cubic inch is though, because he's such a liar.
It's a 468.
Yeah, whatever. Just got the custom headers done.
Yeah, it's coming along slowly but surely. Slowly but surely.
What's it gonna run, DJ?
Probably 1030.
Beautiful car. He's in the middle of his build, getting it done. Hopefully this thing will be going down the track sometime next year. Awesome ride. Just wanted to post this one up. This is one of those super sweet rides. Any comments, DJ?
Hey man, just happy to be in the game. It's gonna take me a minute, but once I get there, I think I'm gonna be happy with it. It's gonna come along.
Last year she probably had at least one.
What's up, Celeste?
Hi, Derek.
How are you?
Okay, now, okay.
It's
What's
Emmett's
going
fault.
on?
All this shit is his fault. Just so you know, he did this.
Emmett, you did this?
He did it. Look at it. Look at it. He's sitting up there like.
It already looks live. Wow.
Oh, it's probably
What
gonna
is this?
It's a Nova, a 65 Nova.
Wow.
I'm happy with it.
Super sweet. Set up for a bolus of nitrous.
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
All right, that's it for this one. See you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Peace.